Good morning, Bulldogs. Welcome to the May 1st edition of VBTV. Please stand for the pledge by Ella.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a great day, Bulldogs.
Thanks, Ella, and welcome to National Principals Day.
Let's go to the PBDA announcements. This Friday, May 1st, our mid-trimester 3 grades are coming out, including effort grades. They will be available on Bulldog Den Wednesday, May 6th.
Thanks. The 7th graders' secondary school meeting is Tuesday, May 5th at 6 p.m. And yes, it'll be through Zoom.
Peggy Shaw, an admissions rep from Hotchkiss, will discuss the boarding school process, and the PBDA secondary school team will discuss the 9th grade program, local choice programs, and local private schools.
Of course, there will be plenty of time for your questions. Your parents received a Zoom invite from Ms. Keminis to attend this event.
Make sure you're at the meeting as well. If your parents don't know how to use Zoom, go ahead and be their teacher. Show them how it's done.
Now let's hear from Student Leadership Council about Spirit Week.
Hello, Bulldogs. The Student Leadership Council has some great news to share with you. Next week, we are hosting our very first virtual Spirit Week. Here are some of my fellow leaders to tell you about it.
Hey, what's up, Bulldogs? Monday, May 4th is Sports Day. You guys start a travel team jersey? Wear it. Maybe you have a LeBron James jersey? Wear it. Dress up like a fisherman. I don't know, whatever you do, just show some sports spirit. Play ball.
Has the pandemic prevented you from going up north or out west to ski or snowboard? No worries. On May 6th, we're doing winter in Florida.
Wear your ski jacket, earmuffs, or scarves. Maybe you have some cool snowboarding goggles to show off. We want you to dress like it's negative 20 degrees.
Get ready to bust out those Halloween wigs because Friday, May 8th is Wacky Hair Day. Wigs, gel, mousse, braids, get creative. You can even use hairspray color as long as it's okay with your parents and out of your hair by Monday. Nothing permanent, please.
Try and make your Zoom backgrounds match each spirit theme.
Thanks, guys. Just as a reminder, remember to send in your Bulldog barks to Nurse Payman and Coach Gungle. Be sure to give a shout out to your classmates and teachers.
And our student spotlight this week will feature the culinary wizardry of Olivia. Take it away, Olivia.
Hi, my name is Olivia Koch. I'm in 4th grade, and today I will be baking. I am going to bake chocolate chip banana bread. So, first you want to get a medium bowl, and you want to put 2 cups of flour. Then you want to put 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Then you want to do 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you want to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you want to do 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Or just this is the cinnamon. Then you want to do 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and that all goes in the medium bowl. So then you whisk that. So I whisked this all together. So now we're going to put the medium bowl aside. Now we're going to take a large bowl and we're going to put 3 very ripe bananas in, which I already did that. Then we're going to take 1 egg and put it in, and then the second egg and put it in. Then you want to take 1 cup of brown sugar, then 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 stick of butter. So now, when that is all mixed together, you want to add your flour mixture and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Then you want to mix that together with a rubber spatula. So now, when you are all done mixing that together, you want to put it inside your pan, and then you want to put it into the oven for about an hour. You also need to put some baking pan into the pan before you put it in. So now this is all baked, and at least we think it's baked. So when you are done and you want to see if it's ready, take a toothpick, or if you don't have a toothpick, take a knife. So then put it in, and ours is ready. If it is not ready, put it back in for 10 more minutes. And you might say that it might not be ready because how it's kind of like soggy and moist, but that's actually what it's supposed to be like, because then you let it, when you take it out of the oven, you let it sit for 15 minutes and cool down. Well, this is what it looks like. And yeah, thanks for coming and watching me make this banana bread.
Looks delicious, Olivia. In our teacher feature this week, let's find out about what Miss Chris does in her spare time outside of school.
Hi, Bulldog friends. Some of you know about my passion for horses, but did you know about my passion for rescue horses and to try to help those that need it? This is Scooter Roan. He's a 20-year-old thoroughbred. Acquired him in December, and he needed a little TLC. As you can see now, he's beautiful. Beautiful gray. Very tall horse, as most thoroughbreds are. He was a racehorse at one time. They call that off the track. And he has a tattoo up under his lip to show that, and that identifies him. Hey, Scooter, can we look at your lip? He's got a tattoo up under there. Okay. And he's been a hunter jumper and a trail horse. And at 20 years old, he's still ready to go. He's a very good boy, very steady and kind. And he's a gelding. As you can see, Scooter is a beautiful thoroughbred gelding. He didn't always look so nice though. When I first saw him, his ribs were showing and he had a skin fungus called rain rot, a very severe case. But now he's beautiful and ready for a forever home. He resides at Windsong Farm in Jupiter Farms, up the street from me. Back at my house, meet Lakota. What's good for the outside of a horse is good for the inside of man. That's a famous quote by Winston Churchill, and I truly believe that. Animals, especially horses, are very spiritual and therapeutic. And she's saying hello to you. Say hi, everybody. Lakota was at a rescue for 8 months and nobody wanted her because she has an injury in her leg and she can't really be ridden much. But she's a wonderful, sweet horse, and she's mostly just a pasture pet now. How could anybody not want this sweet girl? The last horse you'll meet didn't have very good care over the last few years. She had no vet, no dental work done, was fed very poor nutrition, and had harsh handlers. But after a month at my trainer's, she's home here now, and she's adjusting very well. Let's go meet Destiny. This is Destiny. She's a halflinger mare. My latest rescue. I've only had her a few days, but she's super sweet. They only come in chestnut color. She was used as a cart horse to pull a cart for the Amish many years ago. She did some barrel racing for a teenager, and now she'll be my trail horse. Here she is. Riding a horse is not a gentle hobby to be picked up and laid down like a game of solitaire. It is a grand passion. It seizes a person whole, and once it is done so, he will have to accept that his life will be radically changed. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Stay safe, Bulldogs. I miss you.
What's the upside of being inside ninth graders?
You have more time to focus on your health. For me, I would probably say it's getting more time to play video games with friends. Absolutely.
Getting more sleep.
The upside of being inside is I get to work on my inside shots.
The upside of being inside is spending quality time with my family.
Well done, guys.
Now, let's hear from Madison about why she chose to stay at PBDA for the 9th grade, followed by some members of the NJHS and some tips for distance learning.
Hi, my name is Madison and I'm a 9th grader at Palm Beach Day Academy. Some of the reasons I stayed for 9th grade are small class sizes, strong student-teacher relationships, travel opportunities, and another fun year of arts and sports. But most importantly, being a 9th grader, people look up to you as a leader, and it gives you an opportunity to show what kind of leader you are in a different way than it would being a freshman at another school.
Hi PBDA, I'm Samantha, and my tip to succeed during this time of online learning is to sit at a desk so I can focus and act like I'm at school.
Homeschooling is having a different screen per each class, like this one's science and this one's English.
Hello PBDA, my name is Nikolai Dukevich. What helps me most during my Zoom classes is having an organized workspace. An organized workspace makes it easier to function during classes.
Hi, I'm Teddy, and the tip I have for online school is that you should always do the homework in the breaks they give you, and you should always write down your homework for the upcoming week so you don't ever fall behind and you're always prepared.
My advice for online learning is to always use a planner. Write down times for classes, homework dates, and assignments to keep yourself organized.
Some tips I would advise you guys to do well in online school is always get a good night's sleep, go to bed early. And something that I do is always avoid procrastinating, because when I procrastinate, it puts a lot of stress on me, so I always do my work early and on time. And get a good night's sleep and always eat a good breakfast. And yeah.
Well, that's a wrap for this VBTV episode.
Next week, the 7th grade will blow us away as they host the next episode of VBTV.
Have a great weekend, Bulldogs!
Hello, Bulldog friends. It's great seeing you. For weeks you're a box thanks to that square zoom view. We've traveled near and far, but sadly we didn't bring any cats, but we're all Dr. Seuss with the gloves, bow tie, and hats. Kate and Patty, we miss you terribly. We're sorry school will end online, if only to see you for a brief moment. For us, that's just fine.
This is your year. You'll soon be a graduate of PBDA. We know you're busy in quarantine, only a few more things to say. So we forgot which team you want to win, Flamingos or Pelicans.
Flamingos.
No, just kidding. We're so proud of you, Kate, your accomplishments on the courts and in class. I bet Dr. Seuss would do away with grades and say 1 fish, 2 fish. You all pass.
As for upcoming ceremonies, Kate, he would say, you will not graduate from this bus. You will not graduate without us. Well, here's a pre-graduation gift from your school. No hugging, though, because of the 6-foot rule. We know we'll celebrate together in due time. Remember, work hard, be kind online. We miss you guys. We love you guys.
We love you.